Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have not cut grass here at my backyard for last 4 weeks, and you can see my backyard is literally looking like a jungle with some plants looking like almost mini trees. So I'm gonna do this job. I don't know how long it's gonna take because there's so much of mess for me out there to clean up, and it's all my mistake. I cannot blame anyone. I just cleaned my front yard. Now I have to do this. Weather is not too good, but it's okay, I can manage. So if you live in Canada, make sure you do this task on time. Otherwise one day you will struggle like me, like I'm gonna do. So don't do such stupidity. I'll meet you again at the end of the video. It's looking in good shape now, you see. And believe me guys, it's very tiring. Still I have to complete a lot, especially this end and this end. I'll complete that as well, but I'm taking some break now. It was very tiring. See you again. So guys, finally I'm done almost. You can see I still have to do a lot of cleanup, but if you compare before and after, there is so much that I have done, isn't it? It does look like. So guys, you gotta be ready. If you come to Canada and own a house, especially a freehold house, you have to do this. Thanks for watching.